HTVRONT manual hat heat press comes in two colors, blue and white. When you buy one, you will see a user manual, 5 suction cups, and 2 hat platens inside the box. To begin with, we need to install the 4 suction cups first. Insert the suction cups and fix their position with the nuts. Please save the extra suction cup for future use. You can choose between the 2 hat platens according to the image size and hat style. Just need to loosen the screws on the 2 sides and install the needed one. Tighten the screws to finish. Here is the pressure knob. You can adjust the pressure by rotating this knob based on the materials you are going to use. Don't forget to wear heat-resistant gloves before operating the machine to prevent burns. Load the material and pull down the hat stretcher to support the hat. Put the design on the hat and use the heat-resistant tape to fix its position. This is the control panel. Press the power switch to turn on the machine. By pressing the increase and decrease buttons simultaneously, you can change the temperature unit. Press the set button once to enter the temperature setup mode. You can adjust the temperature by press down the increase and decrease button. After finish the temperature settings, press the set button again to adjust the countdown time. Now, pull down the handle and ensure the heat plate fits the hat's surface. The machine will start counting down automatically after pulling down. When the countdown ends, there will be a beep sound. Then, you can pull up the handle and take the hat out. Before peeling off the material, note that the different materials require a cold or warm peel. Now, ready to wear this unique and stylish hat.